Hey everyone, David here. This is part two of my lunch money to real money in 90 seconds. As most of you have probably seen in the market over the last week, Bitcoin has fallen and is right now below $50,000. I was wondering about something and hoping that maybe some of you that might be a little bit better at math than I am could potentially clue me in on. I went out to TradingView and I took a look at this chart of Bitcoin going back to December of 2020. And if you take a look in the green circle right at the tippy top here, you'll see that that's where Bitcoin peaked just a little while ago at $64,000. The support line underneath that was at $48,000. So the distance between the $48,000 and the $64,000 was something like $16,000. So if you take a look in the green circle, that's where Bitcoin topped out at, just right about $64,000. And we can clearly see that there's a support line between the early March date. It's a faint blue line that's just about $48,000. Now, I have a red arrow pointing at that support line, and you'll see to the left, back in early February, there was a double bottom right after 2 days, basically in the same week, in early February. And my question is this: if I use that double bottom as the next major support line, that could mean that Bitcoin could correct as low as $31,000. With a correction down to $31,000, wondering, of those of you who watch my channel, how many of you would be more tempted to start picking up fractions of Bitcoin at the $31,000 price level? I think I certainly would. And I might spend, a couple $100s on a fraction of a Bitcoin, knowing that in potentially 10 years, this is going to rally to, $5 to $10 million. So that's my question for the day. Can you leave me a message down below and let me know what you think in terms of, do you think Bitcoin is going to correct down to the $30,000 price range? And if it does, are you going to buy even a fraction of it? All right, that's way over 90 seconds, and lunch money to real money in 90 seconds with Common Guy Crypto. Peace.